Hello, in this video, we'll demonstrate the capabilities of the RedRays ABAP Security Platform. Let's begin by logging into the system using a manager account. We'll enter the email and the password and click Sign In. Upon logging in, we land on the main dashboard. This acts as the command center for the manager, consolidating key information. The current number of team members, the total scans performed and vulnerabilities found, and the balance of available scan credits. Below, we see the recent activity feed, showing who scanned what, when, and the results. On the right, a clear vulnerability summary breaks down findings by severity, allowing for a quick assessment of the overall risk profile. Effective team management is crucial. Let's navigate to the Team Members section. Here, the manager sees the total credit pool available for allocation and a list of team members with their roles and current credit balances. Let's see how easy it is to manage resources. We can edit the developer Arpine's profile and adjust her allocated credits. For instance, let's increase her limit from 100 to 200. Notice how the company's available pool decreases immediately. The system tracks allocation automatically. Similarly, if needs change, we can reduce the limit, say back down to 10 credits. And these credits are returned to the company pool, which now reflects 1,090 available credits. Beyond resource management, analyzing team performance is vital. We'll head to the Analytics section. This provides detailed statistics for each user, the number of scans performed, credits used, and a breakdown of discovered vulnerabilities by severity. Insightful pie charts show each developer's contribution to the total scan volume and vulnerability count. And the performance over time graph lets us track the dynamics of scans, vulnerabilities, and credit usage, helping to identify trends and peak activity periods. Now let's dive deeper into the vulnerabilities themselves. The Vulnerabilities section aggregates findings across the entire team. At the top, we have a summary count for each severity level. The trend graph shows detection dynamics over time, while the charts below break down vulnerabilities by type, highlighting common issues like OS command injection and by developer. This helps understand which problem types are most prevalent and which developers might need additional focus. The table below lists all vulnerabilities with filtering options. For example, let's view data for the last week. For sharing information and documenting the security posture, RedRays offers flexible reporting capabilities. In the Report section, you can select predefined report types, such as users with vulnerabilities or a vulnerabilities summary. Set the desired date range and click Generate Report. The results are presented in a clear visual format and can be easily exported to various formats for further analysis or sharing with stakeholders. A key advantage of RedRays is its seamless integration into the developer's workflow. The ABAP Scan Plugin Section provides all the necessary information to set up the scanner directly within the integrated development environment. API keys and setup instructions are available for popular IDEs like VS Code and Eclipse. This allows developers to scan code on the fly, without leaving their familiar development environment. Let's see this in action within the Eclipse IDE, using the ABAP development tools. The developer installs the RedRays plugin from the standard Eclipse Marketplace. We can confirm it's installed by searching for RedRays. It shows as installed. Then, in the Eclipse preferences, the developer enters their unique API key and the API URL provided by the platform. As we can see here, it's already configured correctly. Now, directly within the ABAP code editor for the class ZVuln class, the developer can initiate a scan with a single click on the RedRays icon in the toolbar. The plugin sends the code for analysis, and the results appear instantly in the dedicated RedRays ABAP Security Scan results panel at the bottom of Eclipse. In this instance, a high-severity SQL injection has been found. The plugin provides not just the finding, but also a detailed description and, importantly, the data flow, tracing how the vulnerable parameter propagates through the code to the insecure dynamic SQL statement. While developers get immediate feedback in the IDE, all results are synchronized with the central platform. Let's go back to the manager's web dashboard and refresh the page. We see the total scans and vulnerabilities counts have updated, and the scan just performed from Eclipse appears at the top of the recent activity list, showing 1 vulnerability found and 3 credits used. Clicking the View icon opens the scan details. Here we find comprehensive information, the full description, severity, detection date, details about the program, the vulnerable data flow, the relevant code snippet with the vulnerability path highlighted, and crucially, suggestions to fix, providing actionable guidance for remediation. RedRays caters to different user roles. Let's briefly switch to the interface from the developer perspective. Her dashboard displays only her personal stats, her total scans, the vulnerabilities found in her code, her credits used, and remaining credits. The vulnerabilities and my scans sections are also filtered to show only her activity. This allows developers to focus on their specific tasks and responsibilities without being overwhelmed by team-wide data. Naturally, she also has access to her own API key in the ABAP Scan Plugin Section for her IDE setup. So we've demonstrated the key aspects of the RedRays ABAP Security Scanner, a centralized dashboard for managers providing analytics and team management, coupled with seamless IDE integration for developers, enabling in-workflow scanning with immediate feedback and remediation guidance. This offers a comprehensive approach to securing your ABAP applications.